Yes, it is a match day for a highly anticipated Club FIFA World Cup encounter at the Ionic Hard Rock Stadium in the United States of America between Mamelodi Sundowns vs Fluminense from Brazil. Mamelodi have prepared their lineup in a 4-2-3-1 formation under the managerial guidance of Portuguese football manager, aiming to lift up 3 important points on today's clash. In goal we see Ronald Williams as a team goalkeeper, but number 2 or right back will be Huliso Mudau, while number 3 left back will be the Zimbabwean maestro Divine Lunga. Number 4 and number 5 will be Grant Kikana as well as Keanu Cupido. Number 6 and number 8 will be Marcus Ayende as well as the Boho Mokoena, while Themba Mshishi Zwane will stand as a central attacking midfielder in the number 10 role. Lucas Ribeiro will act as a right winger, while Ikram Rainiz will act as a left winger, and Tarish Matthew will stand as a lonely striker. So this is a very good lineup for Mamelodi Sundowns as they aim to lift up 3 important points and qualify for the other stage in the Club FIFA World Cup. We know Mamelodi is the only team from Africa remaining in the Club FIFA World Cup after exit of Ahli, Wydad Athletics as well as Esperance de Tunis.